Hello friends, welcome to Print with Green with another gardening videos. In today's episode, we'll discuss about the easiest way to grow hydrangea from cuttings and its care till it become mature. Hydrangea plants are excellent blooming plant that gives flower during rainy season in Indian condition. The best time to make cuttings is from June to September when they have very good growth. For taking cuttings, you need to select healthy plants with lots of new growth in it. Take out the cuttings with green stem as it gives out root very faster compared to older hard stem. Remove the extra leaves from the cuttings, or you can reduce the leaves into half of its size with the help of scissor. Take some rooting hormone powder, dip the cuttings in the rooting hormone for faster growth of the root, and it will also prevent the cuttings from fungal rot. For putting the cuttings, I have taken pure river sand. The river sand should be washed thoroughly as it may carry many pathogens which may cause rotting of the cuttings. To sterilize, you can also use hot water that can kill many pathogens and prevent rotting of the cuttings. Putting the cuttings to a depth of about half inch or an inch gives the best result, and place the cuttings in an area with sufficient indirect light. You need to water the cuttings as and when required to prevent it from drying, as sand being a porous media may dry quickly. After 18 to 20 days, the cuttings will give out the root. The rooted cuttings should be washed thoroughly to remove the sand from the root before shifting it to a growing media. For shifting the cuttings, I have prepared a mix with 2 parts leaf manure and 1 part of cow manure. As leaf manure is easily available in our area and also gives good results, I generally prefer using it. But you can substitute the mix according to the availability of resources in your area. You can use equal parts of sand, garden soil and cow manure or vermicompost. Also, sand, garden soil, cow manure, coco peat in equal proportion also gives good result. As hydrangeas grows easily in a wide range of soil conditions, but try making media which is slightly acidic. After 30 to 45 days of growing the plant in the media, you need to cut or pinch the tip to make it more bushy. The more you remove the tip, the more bushier it becomes. It is also one of the secret to get profuse bloom in your plant. So friends, this is all about growing hydrangea in an easy way. Hope you all like the videos, and please do share and subscribe my channel for more gardening updates.